How to reset Messenger PIN code. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reset Messenger PIN code. In order to reset your Messenger PIN code, you will need to first open your Messenger application on your mobile device and log into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Now here, you will need to tap on the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to the menu page. Now in this page, look for the settings option or the gear icon just below your profile name. Once you find it, simply tap on it and then you will be taken to this page. Now here, you will need to scroll down and under Preferences section, look for Privacy and Safety option. Once you locate it, simply tap on it. And inside it, here you'll be able to see different section. Find the security section and then there you'll be able to locate end-to-end encrypted chat. Simply tap on it and now under this option, look for message storage option. Simply tap on message storage and then finally in this page, you'll be able to see the section how you restore your chat history. Under it, you'll be able to locate Reset PIN option. Now you just simply need to tap on this option and then here, now you will need to create a new 6-digit PIN here. Simply enter the PIN and then enter it once again to confirm. And once you have entered it, wait for a few seconds and then now your PIN will be reset. This will allow you to securely access your encrypted chats or sync chat history across devices. So this is how you can reset Messenger PIN code. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.